Booking fees.
Then some lenders charge you a booking fee. So they are saying they're charging you for booking that mortgage for you. It's typically from 50 to 250 pounds in England. It's a low fee and it is non-refundable. A booking fee, if it's charged at all, will be taken and it won't be given back to you if the process doesn't go through. This is where having a mortgage broker is really useful because they will direct you towards those mortgage lenders that will definitely lend to you. So even if you're paying a booking fee, you're much more certain that that booking fee is not going to amount to nothing. It's not a huge fee in the grand scheme of things, but if you can avoid it, avoid it. Ask if there's a booking fee. If there is a booking fee, how much is that booking fee and when in the process will it have to be paid? Typically, you cannot add a booking fee to a mortgage in the same way that you can add an arrangement fee because it needs to be paid before they start doing any sort of surveys and valuations. So check if there's a booking fee and check if the lender calls it something else. There is no specific term that they have to call it, so they might call it something else.
A lender's excuse for charging a booking fee could be that you're booking a special deal. Ultimately, though, it's just another fee and they just need a special name for an excuse to charge that fee.
You know what? To me, booking fees don't even make sense. Why am I being charged to book the mortgage? Do you have a maximum number of mortgages you can give a month, like 100 mortgages only? No, most banks have enough money to lend to pretty much as many people as pass the credit process. So I think it's one of those kind of bullshit fees. I hate booking fees, and if I can avoid them, I do. On my last mortgage, and let me show off just a bit here, I got a mortgage where virtually I paid no fees. No booking fee, no arrangement fee. I think even the valuation was included free. When your credit record is good, you can get away with a lot.